Far too many people these days are driving with an outdated car stereo without even realizing it. Stuck with just basic radio or a clumsy phone mount, you're missing out on a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable drive. Upgrading your in-car entertainment will upgrade your daily commute in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best car stereos today bring the full power of your smartphone's apps and navigation right to your dashboard, and we have the top 5 options ready and waiting on Amazon. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get started. Number 5. The Bona Idea 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen. We're kicking things off with a fantastic budget-friendly option that proves you don't have to spend a lot to get a huge upgrade. The Bona Idea 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen is a #1 bestseller for a very good reason. This is a plug-and-play device that requires no complicated installation. You simply connect it to your cigarette lighter and it's ready to go. It supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connecting automatically via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi after the first simple setup. This gives you instant access to your maps, music, and voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant for hands-free control. It also features a full phone mirror link function, so you can sync and watch videos from apps like YouTube and TikTok directly on its clear 7-inch screen. For audio, it gives you fantastic flexibility with Bluetooth, FM transmission, and AUX output to connect to your car's speakers. And for safety, it includes a waterproof, high-definition rear-view camera with night vision, which automatically displays the image when you reverse. With a very attractive price point and a 2-year warranty, the Bona Idea is the ultimate value pick to instantly modernize any car. Number 4. The Pass LDA 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen. Moving to our number 4 spot, we have another portable champion that focuses heavily on audio quality and customer support. The Pass LDA 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen is another bestseller that brings all the essential smart features to your dashboard without any permanent installation. It supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to effortlessly access navigation, calls, messages, and music. Where it really stands out is in its upgraded audio output mode. PASLDA specifically highlights its improved Bluetooth connection to your car's speakers, promising a shocking stereo sound effect that greatly enhances your music listening experience. You also have the flexibility of using an AUX cable or an FM transmitter. This unit also supports wireless mirror link for video apps and even offers a customizable boot logo, so you can personalize the startup screen by contacting their technical team. It comes with the same essential backup camera for safe parking, but it backs it all up with a stellar support policy, 30-day money-back, 12-month replacement, and lifetime technical support. If you want great sound and peace of mind, the Pass LDA is a brilliant choice. Number 3. The Hogsy 9-inch Wireless CarPlay Screen with 4K Dash-Cam. Now, if you're looking for a larger screen and a significant step-up in safety features, our number 3 pick is for you. The Hogsy 9-inch portable car stereo combines the convenience of CarPlay and Android Auto with the security of a full dash cam system. This is where we move from simple entertainment to being a true guardian on the road. This unit comes equipped with a front 4K dash cam that records your entire driving journey in stunning clarity, and a 1080p waterproof reversing camera for safe parking. But it doesn't stop there. It includes a built-in G-sensor or collision sensor, which automatically locks footage from an accident to prevent it from being overwritten. It even has a parking monitor function that will start recording if it senses a vibration while your car is parked. For your entertainment, it supports phone mirroring and offers 4 ways to get your audio: Bluetooth, its local speaker, FM radio, or AUX. With its plug-and-play design and larger 9-inch screen, the Hogsy is a powerful all-in-one solution for anyone who wants a bigger display and the added security of a dedicated dash cam. Number 2. The Lavier 9-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Touchscreen. As we get to the top of our list, the features become even more impressive. The Lavier 9-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Touchscreen is a premium package that truly does it all. It offers that seamless wireless smartphone integration we all love, but it wraps it in a layer of premium features and personalization. Just like our number 3 pick, it includes a comprehensive dash cam system with a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera for loop recording. It provides precise real-time GPS navigation by leveraging your phone's always up-to-date data. But the Lavier goes the extra mile. It allows you to fully customize your startup screen logo, making the device uniquely yours, a feature that really makes it feel like your own. It also includes a built-in 64GB micro SD card right in the box for immediate recording storage. With intelligent screen projection, auto brightness control, and versatile audio integration, the Lavier provides a polished, feature-complete experience that feels high-end from the moment you unbox it. Number 1, the PLZ 7-inch wireless, double DIN car stereo. And now for our number 1 pick. While the portable units are fantastic for their ease of use, there is no substitute for a clean, permanent, integrated installation. That's why the top spot goes to the PLZ 7-inch wireless double DIN car stereo. This isn't a device you add to your dashboard, it's a device that becomes your dashboard. This full replacement unit is for those who are serious about both sound quality and a seamless OEM look. It supports wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connecting automatically as soon as you start your car. But the real magic is inside. It features a built-in DSP and a powerful 4.2-channel preamplifier with a max 240-watt output, complete with a 10-band equalizer and, crucially, 2 dedicated subwoofer outputs. This means you can build a truly breathtaking sound system with incredible bass. It uses an independent Bluetooth 5.3 module with an extra antenna for crystal-clear calls and stable streaming. Best of all, it integrates with your car's existing steering wheel controls, allowing you to adjust volume and change tracks without ever taking your hands off the wheel. If you're ready for a professional installation and want the best possible audio quality and integrated experience, the PLZ Double DIN car stereo is the undisputed champion.